Cook for you, spread tasty food in the world. Please subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon for daily notifications. Cook for you presents Matar Paneer. Add 3 tablespoons oil. 2 onions chopped. Sauté well until golden brown. 3 to 4 green chilies. 2 to 3 chopped tomatoes. Sauté well. Cook 5 minutes with lid on. Add 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. (10 to 12 cashews). Sauté well. Set aside for 10 minutes. After cool down, grind the veggies. Ground paste is ready. Take 1 tablespoon oil, 2 tablespoons butter. Combine well. Add the paste. Half teaspoon cumin seeds. Mix together. 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder. 1 tablespoon kashmiri chili powder. Half teaspoon coriander powder. 1/4 teaspoon black pepper powder. Half teaspoon cumin powder. 1 sachet Maggie masala. 1/4 teaspoon cinnamon powder. 1/4 teaspoon garam masala. Mix well. 1/4 teaspoon sugar optional. Salt to taste. Roast well. 1 tablespoon coriander leaves. Add some water. Roast well. 1/4 cup frozen peas. Add dash of water. Cover and cook on low to medium heat. After 7 to 8 minutes, add 200 grams paneer. Combine well. Cover and cook for 6 to 7 minutes. ¼ teaspoon dried fenugreek leaves. Our delicious Matar Paneer is ready to enjoy. Do try this recipe and share your valuable feedback in the comments section below. Please like and share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.